It's time for Sega Megadrive controllers from Retrobit. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. And in today's video, I am excited because Retrobit, or better said, Mindscape, sent me these controllers for my Sega Megadrive. So in this video, I'm going to do an unboxing. I'm going to show you what we're going to get. And we're going to do a little bit of a comparison with the original, because I'm very curious, is this a good replacement for your original Sega controller? I only have one 6-button controller left, so I am very happy they released these controllers, because all the 3 buttons are broken. Seriously, I have none of them anymore. All are broken. So, let's unpack eeny, miny, mo. It's time for yellow scissors. Let's cut them open. Alright. What I really love about is the packaging itself. It looks very cool. Smelly test. Ooh, no chemical plastic. Wow, damn, this cable is freaking long. Look at it. Wow. Ooh. Ooh. This looks very nice. It smells nice. And it feels nice. Alright. Next one. I'm very curious about this blue one. Blue is my favorite color, so I'm very happy with it. Get over here! Ooh, also a very long cable. This looks very nice. I hope you can see it on the camera, but it looks very nice. Transparent blue, nice. Alright, let's grab an original controller. Alright, side by side. Ooh. Let's see, the D-pad looks a little bit different. Wow, it feels identical. This one feels even better. So if you look at the molding itself, I see the molding is even the same. Man, I'm excited now. I'm even more excited. Alright, let's grab my Retro 3 Plus and let's see how it even fits. Oh, and the cable. Yeah, the cable. I think this cable is even thicker. It's even thicker like the original one. Wow. Alright, how does it fit? Ooh. Yeah, this fits very nice. Alright. Nice. Alright, the first game we're going to try is Street of Rage 2. Very curious how this reacts. Yes. This already feels good. This feels amazing. Seriously, this feels really good. I love this D-pad, it's very responsive. Oh yeah! Alright, next game, Sonic. Alright, let's see. And for the people thinking, why is this game running so slow? My Retro 3 Plus is 50 Hz. Or in other words, it's just PAL. Yeah, I know. The funny thing is, I played so many NTCS games lately, so I'm used to the 60 frames. So even for me now it's this slow. I am not going to break my records. No. But again, the D-pad is very responsive. It has a very nice touch to it. And overall, very happy with it. And of course we're going to play a fighting game. Wow, first try, it works like a charm. Ow. Yep, all the moves come out instantly. And I'm getting my ass whooped here. Oh yeah, fireball. So in this part I'm going to get my ass whipped. Yep. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to pause and I'm going to swap it to the black version. So let's get my ass whooped. Let's see. Yeah, let's do Ray. Of course. Test out the other version. No. Crap. And I can already tell you, if this D-pad was not good, you cannot do this move so fast after. Oh yeah. No, my friend. No, my friend, this time you're going down. Oh yeah, who remembers this game or this multi-card? No, I'm going to play The Revenge of the Shinobi. I've played this game a lot as a child and I still love it. It's so fun game. Or super move. Oh, here it is. Back in the day, still, I was a big Sega fan, and I am. Sega had a lot of great games. Don't get me wrong, Super Famicom or Super Nintendo had also a very nice game, but Shinobi and that guy, these games really appeal to me. So yeah, people. I cannot complain about these controllers. They are very nice. They work fine. The D-pad is great. Very happy with it. So for the final conclusion about the Sega Retrobit controllers, I must say I am pretty impressed. They play like the original one. They feel like the original one. I want to say they are the original one, but they are licensed with Sega. Wait, they are the original one. So this is what we're going to get, people. I'm very happy with it. They came just on time because all my original controls were broken. I only had one left. So this is what you're going to get. Let me know what you think of this. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the little bell. And if you're into gaming, check out the gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye.